everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
If you've ever considered taking a day trip from Las Vegas and are unsure how it might go, you're in the right place.
Come along with us as we rent a car to try out some local restaurants and even go to the Hoover Dam.
Let's go.
Here we go.
All right, so we just got in the car. We just got out of the parking garage. The wait was probably about 25 minutes. There were two people ahead of us in line. It is $83 all total. It is a Honda HR-V, which actually is pretty spacious, and it's a crossover, so you're raised up a little bit. It was the economy package.
Yes, cheapest one I could find online, and honestly, the guy even told us we got a really good deal because we booked ahead, so which is why. And it also was way cheaper than getting it at the airport.
Yes. So it's very easy. You just walk down to the lobby. It's on the far end and like next to the Gold Lounge. But we're gonna get on the road. We've got a few places to go first. One thing of note, my phone did not automatically connect, or we struggled with the Bluetooth piece, and it does have a USB connection, which if you use like the power USB chargers like we do, they don't fit in some of the cars. So bring a regular USB charger, and that way you can hook up your phone so that you can have a map. We're just running off of Apple Maps though. And we found it. Craft Kitchen, Cafe, and Bakery. And it should be opening right now, 8 a.m. Damn,
That was good.
that was so good. I am so glad that we tried this place out. I gotta say, I think it is my best breakfast I've had in Las Vegas.
We were talking, or how do you make something different? How do you go from an omelet that's just omelet or a French toast that's just French toast? You elevate it, and that's what they did.
All right, we just went through a security checkpoint. They do ask if you have guns or drones, so don't bring them with you.
Yeah.
And apparently the Hoover Dam is close. This is something interesting. I've never seen any pictures about like all the electricity that is going on in here, but it makes sense because, you know, they make a lot of power here and they gotta send it somewhere. Check this out. Check that out. Wow. That looks sweet.
We'll have to go up there next too. I think you can get up. Yeah, you can walk.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna try to get up there. That bridge is sweet. All right, we made it to the Hoover Dam. Actually, we ended up parking just before the Hoover Dam area, so $10 for a car. They did ask if we had animals. I don't know what they do with them if you brought a dog with you. I don't think they'll keep it, but you know, You got a few stairs. They do have an elevator as well, though. So we did not have to pay to enter the Hoover Dam area, but we did have to pay $10 to park. And I think that's it. So they do have tours. We are actually going to skip on that. Just check stuff out on our own, though. But the dam tours are down there.
You don't have to do a tour.
You do not have to do a tour. All right. First try for a restroom did not work. Let's see if there's one over here. But check out this. We got water, and it is not very high. Lake Mead has not recovered yet. Alright, so we are now on the Arizona side, and I'll show you, that is actually where the parking garage is. So not a lot of walking, easy to walk though. So one very cool thing you'll definitely have to do is come to the side where there is a marker on the Lake Mead side showing where you're in Nevada and Arizona. So I am actually in both at the same time. And yeah, there's still not a lot of water. All right, so back over at the parking garage area, there is a dam store and a dam cafe. I think there's a dam bathroom as well. All right, so after we left the parking garage, there is a bridge scenic view parking lot over here. And we're gonna try to get on that giant bridge that we saw in the background, looking out over the dam side.
This says open dawn till dusk.
Yeah, the parking garage is only open from 8 to 5:15, I believe, daily.
Yeah, that's what it said.
This is dawn till dusk, and you can see people are walking up over there. All right, so you can see that it goes back and forth. So it definitely could be wheelchair accessible, but oh my gosh, I think your arms would get pretty dang tired if you were pushing yourself this way.
Yeah. This is like Chutes and Ladders, the game. So take the ladder, stairs, it's faster.
We found stairs, so we can actually skip a ton of steps and just go up the stairs. All right, so easy walk up. It is a bit crowded on here. And it did say that there's no exit on the end. So once you go on, you're going back the other way. And it is loud because there's traffic right next to you. Alright, that was my first time at the Hoover Dam.
What'd you think about it?
I thought it was good. I'm glad we did it.
Me too.
It was easy. It's only a little after 10:30 right now. We are quite thirsty, so we're gonna go find a brewery.
Yes.
Not too many though, we're driving.
That's true. And I do want to say, like, I think we mentioned it walking up from the parking garage. You don't need a tour. It was very enjoyable, a nice, easy walk. And there's little informational bubbles throughout the entire area. So you can find new history lessons every day.
All right, so we just got out of security and there's a big lineup and there's a ton of cars coming. It is now just before 11 o'clock. So if you're gonna come to the dam, get up damn early and get on the road. We're actually already headed back and there's just a constant stream of people coming.
Set your damn alarm.
There you go. That might be all the damn jokes we got left. So that's it. All right, we brought our little car to Boulder Dam Brewing Company, which is in Boulder City, I believe. I'm trying not to get run over, but this is what it looks like. Ooh, might be good outdoor seating.
Oh, I would sit outside.
Me too. Boulder Dam Brewing Company. Anyway, Lotus of Siam, it was very, very good.
Yes, and I will say, the one that kind of ended up surprising me the most was the garlic prawns.
Khao soy, I believe is what it's called. That was awesome. Oh my God, the sauce was so good with those noodles, and the duck itself just was moist, flavorful. All right, we are back in our room. We actually ended up having the car for about 7 to 8 hours.
Yeah.
Which was enough for us. That's as much as we were planning on it. We were able to go to a couple off-strip restaurants that we've wanted to go to. We were able to go to the Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
I thought it was well worth it. I think it's a great opportunity to get off the strip, especially if you have an extra day, and not spend all your money in a casino.
Yeah, I have not driven a car or been driven by somebody in my party in a car in Las Vegas ever. And I've been here probably about 60 times. I don't remember. I just ballpark, but at minimum 50 times. And I've never done it. And now that I know that you can actually rent your car right at your hotel and drop it off back at your hotel.
Easy.
Yeah, that's a game changer for me.
Mm-hmm.
We did see it on another, on a trip vlog for the coin show. And it was like a game changer. I was like, oh my God, we could actually do this. And we had seen them do it over at Cosmo. So there are multiple hotels and resorts where you can do this. Just check your resort and see if there's a car rental there.
Absolutely. And I think I mentioned it earlier in the day, but it was cheaper than getting it at the airport. So it was convenient. It seemed like we took forever in line, but that's mainly because we were impatient at 7 o'clock this morning, but it was fast.
I feel like if we had to have rented it at the airport and then dropped it off at the airport, it would have been too much
hassle.
Yeah. For me, I would not have wanted to do it, but the fact that you could do it at your hotel, perfect.
Yeah.
Would do it again.
And for a day pass, $79 for the day.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all.
Because you can spend that on, honestly, like 2, 3, 4 Uber rides,
So I
which
bet
we
spent it
more than
yesterday.
got that much worth out of it.
And I bet you we spent it that much yesterday on Uber rides alone. So,
Yeah. All right.
Enjoying it.
If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All our links are down below.
Thank you.